Happy Tuesday, first graders. Here we go with day 2 of our blueprints. All right, it's Tuesday, short day. We got this, ready to go. This week, tomorrow, we're going to be reading the story called The Hat. Our theme concept is we can do it. Our strategy is monitor and clarify, and our skill is cause and effect. Let's take a look at what monitor and clarify means again. All right, here we go. See if you can read any of this with me. Whenever I read and I don't understand, I do 3 things before I raise my hand. I can reread, which means you can read it again. Look at the pictures. A lot of times we can see clues from those pictures, or read ahead. If we just keep reading, sometimes we might understand it if we just read a little bit more. All right, today we did stretchers yesterday, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at my circles, which take place of those cubes that we used to use in class. All right, here we go. First word, it, at, ch, I, st, ep. Good job. All right, we've got the suffix er. I'm going to do this together with you since these are new this week. Suffix er, sound meaning someone who or more. So we could have the er, we could be talking about someone who does something like a painter. A painter would be someone who paints, or we could be talking about more of something. All right, here we go. Suffix est, sound est, meaning is most. So est means the most when you see at the end of the word, but we're only going to see an est if we're comparing 2 or more things. Suffix ly, sound li, meaning in a way that is. So if I did something very grumpily, that means it would be in a way that is grumpy. All right, our one prefix this week, this comes at the beginning of the word. Prefix re, sound re, meaning again or back. So I could redo something, which means I do it again. All right, let's take a look at these with some words. If we have the at the end, which means someone who or more, we could have the word shorter, which would mean more short. Our base word is short. Our suffix is est, remember that's going to mean the most, right? So if I am the shortest, that means I am the most short if I'm comparing 2 or more things. Li, for the suffix li, it means in a way that is. So if I did something slowly, that means I do it in a way that is slow. And lastly, the prefix rejoin would mean to join again. All right, let's take a look at our words for this week that we're going to see in our story. My turn, thought, your turn. In a whisper voice, spell thought. Nice job. My turn, I, your turn. All right, point to your eye. You should have 2 of them, right? All right, now let's see if you can look at the word I. Now close your eyes and see if you can spell I. Spell I. Nice job. My turn, beautiful, your turn. All right, let's go ahead and get some wiggles out on this one. If you want to stand up, you can do frog leaps on the word beautiful. So go ahead and if you're sitting down somewhere, get yourself in a spot where you could do some frog leaps with each letter. If you don't feel like doing frog leaps and you just want to do some clapping or even stomp your feet for movement, that's totally fine. Here we go. Spell beautiful. Now I realize if you're doing frog leaps, I might have gone a little quickly for you there, so if you need to finish up spelling, keep doing it. You can always pause the blueprints if you need to. All right, my turn. Sorry, your turn. In an old person voice, spell sorry. Nice job, little old men and old women. My turn, smaller, your turn. This time, in a robot voice, spell smaller. Nice job, first graders. My turn, give, your turn. All right, with your fingers, go ahead and snap out and spell give. Spell give. Nice job. My turn, something, your turn. All right, this time I would like you to, let's go ahead and clap out the word something. Here we go. Clap and spell something. Nice job, first graders. All right, I don't need a turn. You spell the word. What is it? You got it. Close your eyes. Spell you. Great job. My turn. Walk. Your turn. All right, I want you to stomp your feet like you're walking along, but you're walking very heavy-footed, so stomp those feet as you walk. Here we go. Spell walk. Nice job. My turn tonight. Your turn. All right, let's get those snappers ready. We're going to snap and spell tonight. Spell tonight. Last word. My turn. What? Your turn. All right, let's do it in a little mouse voice. Spell what? Good job, little mice. All right, here we go. Let's review our sounds. Sound. Yep, you should have said sound. Yep, again. Sound. Yep, one last time. Sound. Should have said O, sound. That one was I, sound. Yep, you got it. Sound. There's the again. Sound. Sound. Yep, you should have done on those last two. Sound. That one is I. Sound. You got it. And the last one, sound. Yep, for a third time. All right, here we go. We are on day number 2. All right, sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Yep, you should have said must. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. So far we've got thin. Sound. Blend. Word. Is it ink or is it ink? So sometimes even though that I makes the is sound, when we have I and K, actually we'll say ink, just like ing says ing. Sound, sound, blend, word. Good job. Oak. 2 more words. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, good job, sound, blend, word, awesome. All right, last one, sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, got bump, that's our first syllable, sound, so it can go t, ed, or d. Is it bump, ed, bump, d, or bumped? Yep, it's bumped. All right, let's go ahead and clap it out. Bumped, bumped. Yep, 2 syllables. Oops, it didn't show it, but 2 syllables, and it's going to be between the P and the E. Nice job, first graders. Happy Tuesday.